I've arrived at Royalton Punta Cana. Let's go take a look. I am standing in the main lobby here. I've just checked in, and this is the beautiful view that you're welcome to. So this is a great look at the resort. Got some of the restaurants down to my left. Beautiful seating areas and some of the guest rooms, guest buildings on my right. I'll pan back towards the middle and you can see that pathway that leads you to the big, beautiful pool and that beach. And it's a quick look at the Infinity Edge pool here and the swim up side to dips. This is one of the main pools. This is what they would consider to be the activity pool. So this is where they have all their pool activities throughout the day. See lots of sun loungers. And I also want to note the shade canopies as well. Hugely important to stay away from the sun as much as you can. Sun protection is great, and those canopies certainly provide some great sun protection. This is one of the main pools here at Royalton Punta Cana. This is a look at the entire water park here from the entranceway. My left was your larger slides. Wave pool was in the center, and now you've got a smaller splash pad area for your littlest vacationers. Lots of dumping buckets. I love those. You've got twisting slides. You've got racing slides, and lots of seating in here. Steps from the main pool, you have one of the Diamond Club buildings. So they are all located in the most preferred areas. These ones all have swim outs. And this is the Diamond Club pool as well. It's steps away from the Diamond Club beach bar, as well as the beach area. We'll take a closer look. I've made my way down to the beach. Big, beautiful beach. Not too wavy, but just enough to let you know that you're in the ocean. Lots of palapas down here. Water activities as well. I can see a parasailer in the distance. This is the beautiful beach. Taking a closer look at the Diamond Club Beach Bar. Great theme down here. Serving up great drinks, cocktails all day long. And it is steps away from the beach. The beautiful color of that ocean water. The gazebo there is available for weddings. Got a seating area in here as well. So if you're looking to grab a quick bite and stay close to the water, you can do that. And you can see the availability of lots of sun loungers, palapas, and even some valley beds. Another beach bar. This one's called Sands. Steps from the ocean. Great seating underneath the palapa. You can enjoy that here, or you can take that down with you to the water and to your beach lounger. This is Sands Beach Bar. Marche Gourmet is the buffet restaurant. Let's take a look inside. Great available seating here in the buffet restaurant. I like the different styles of tables as well. You've got round tables, square tables, bigger tables if you're here with a larger group. This is a look inside Marche, which is the buffet open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hunter Steakhouse is the a la carte steakhouse here at Royalton Punta Cana. This is also open for a la carte breakfast to Diamond Club members only. Love the woods in here, the wood decor, wicker chairs. And this is Hunter, the steakhouse, open for a la carte dinners and a la carte breakfast for Diamond Club members. And if you're looking to take your dining experience to another level, there is a private dining areas here within Hunter. So if you're here with a group, if you'd like to have a special dining event evening, take a look at that. Grazie Trattoria offers both a la carte and buffet dining. So you can see some of the buffet food stations ahead of me and lots of tables down here. These are usually my favorite restaurants. Why? Because it's steps from the ocean. So you're dining down here. You've got the soundtrack of the ocean. You've got a nice breeze coming in as well. Not sure that's being conveyed through the camera, but rest assured, it's a beautiful breeze. This is Grazie. Zen is the Teppanyaki and Sushi bar. This is the only restaurant at the resort that does require reservations, specifically for the teppanyaki tables. And as you can see, there is a lot of them that are set up here, so they can accommodate a lot of people. And if you're traveling with a big group as well, you could probably be accommodated around one of these tables. And this is a look at the sushi bar area. This is Zen, Teppanyaki and Sushi Bar. I am very excited to take a tour through here. This is Culinary Experience. So this is the only restaurant that is not included. This is $150 per person, but this is going to be a culinary journey like no other. The head chef prepares a custom meal with a custom menu for everyone in here every night. It includes pairings with both wine and beer. So if you're looking for a very elevated dining experience, as I mentioned, a journey through food with a carefully curated menu, both food and drink, check out the Culinary Experience here at Royalton Punta Cana. Dorado Seafood Grill is an a la carte restaurant open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner to guests that are staying in Hideaway only. Beautiful table settings, steps away from the water's edge, the beautiful beach. And as I move the camera up, you can see the Hideaway Beach Bar coming into view. So this restaurant and beach bar area are exclusive to guests staying in the Hideaway. Score is the sports bar and lounge. Take a look inside. So look inside Score, the sports bar and lounge. Can only imagine how busy this place is going to be when there's a big game on TV. There's a big soccer match on yesterday. I imagine this was full of football fans. Really like the basketballs on the wall there. This is a look at Score, the sports bar and lounge. Mix is the Martini Bar, open in the evening time. Great seating all around, and it's right near one of the beautiful fountain areas. And this is one of the 3 entranceways to get into Hideaway at Royalton. Let's take a look. And we're now within the Hideaway complex. So this is an adult-only area. This is the Hideaway Bar, and this is a quick look at the pool. And if you're staying in Hideaway, this is your Diamond Club lounge where you come to get checked in. It's also a lovely lounge area as well. You come down, just have coffee, tea, hors d'oeuvre, maybe even a cocktail.
Yeah, and that's an invitation.
This is the Diamond Club Lounge, accessible to guests stay in Hideaway. The lounge has the availability of hot and cold hors d'oeuvres. Got a bar available as well. It's a great way to be welcomed to the resort and to your vacation. I really like the availability of seating in here as well. This is the Diamond Club Lounge. Every great lobby has to have a great lobby bar. This one really is fantastic because you've got a great view of the resort. And in the distance, you have an ocean view. The Royal Spa. Take a look at this. This is where you can come getting a relaxing treatment massage. Let's take a look inside. Lovely seating area and reception area where they can tell you about all the treatments that are available here at the Royal Spa. It's beautiful. I love the candles set up. The lights are dimmed. This is a beautiful treatment room here at the Royal Spa. You've got your massage table. A little seating area as well if needed. And I'll continue to walk around the room here. And you can see the availability of a private shower in here as well. So if you'd like to have a rinse either before or after your treatment, you can do that. This was a look at a massage cabin here at the Royal Spa. This is the beauty salon. So if you're looking to get a manicure, pedicure, or even get your hair washed and styled, that can be done here in the beauty salon. And I've made my way into the spa, and this is the beautiful hydrotherapy space. You've got steam rooms, sauna, you have your sensory showers, mist, also bucket shower, really like that one. And just a beautiful outdoor space. I love a little rock garden. Wonderful chairs set up. Cushions, towels. Umbrellas as well. Those are important on the very hot, sunny days here in Punta Cana. And you're going to come into the other side, and here you have your cold plunge. And this is your hot tub. This was a look at the hydrotherapy spa here at Royalton Punta Cana. All right, this is a great place to flex. This is Royalton Fit. Let's take a look inside the gym. This is a look at Royal Fit, or part of it. There are people in here exercising. I won't invade their privacy, but you've got a good variety of weight equipment, strength equipment, as well as cardio machines. If you're looking to keep up with your fit routine while on vacation, check out Royal Fit. While you're on vacation here at Royalton Punta Cana, if you like to get down to the casino, there is one here as well. It is 18 plus, and it is open at 7 p.m. until late. In the lower level of the lobby, you have some of the shopping and excursion desks available here. This is also where you'll pick up the train to head back over to Royalton's Landing. This is the plaza area here at Royalton Punta Cana. So this area is used for evening entertainment. Can also be used for larger group events and, of course, weddings. Got the big, beautiful lobby coming into view there on the right. This is the plaza. This is where you'll come down and enjoy a wonderful show in the evening.